who said 240s were impractical? We have a full front bumper from an S14 Kooky in this car with no problem. Check this out. Yeah. So now we are headed to the Kooky, I guess, obviously. We're gonna go see some progress. There's a lot of stuff that's been done that you guys have not yet seen. So we're gonna go ahead and catch up, see what's going on, and just take a little cruise. So I'm gonna take the point of view cam, you know, might as well. Probably should. And let's see what our buddy Ross is up to today. If you guys didn't know that this was an RB, like an RB20, what would you say it is? I'm curious. I think I know where it's gonna go, but I'm curious.
Back again like I never left. Young and I said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap packs to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine. They wanna beef, but I never knew. I just keep the peace and get revenue. Stay true, they never do. Cut all ties, I sever. These rappers like women, that's all for they feel. We keeping it real, but they flow as a regular.
This car. Don't do this at home, kids. I love this car. What's happened at the Glen today? Oh my god, that exhaust. Jesus. Dude. Yes. Dude, that is massive. Well, it looks freaking great though. Oh, don't kill yourself. Oh, there you go. Damn. So we got full 4-inch. This is all 4-inch, all up to. Wait, where'd you reduce it? Oh, right here, right there. So this is 3.5. We have a 3.5-inch downpipe all the way up, which, I mean, come on, look at that. Flex little pipe ski right there, and yeah, you can't even really see on camera. Oh yeah, let me get that light edge. That's very, oh my goodness. The sun in your hand right there. Yeah, so you guys can see we got some pretty gnarly clearance, but we got clearance, that's for sure. Damn, son.
And you don't really want it much lower.
No. And even right now, it's probably what, just below the frame rail? Oh, dude, no, it's like, it's.
You don't want it any lower.
No, that's money.
The only thing I might want to do is, you know, take a couple inches out of here and add a couple inches onto here and just move this V-band up.
Away from the
road.
Away from the road. Yeah.
That's prime hit shit spot.
Right? I know. Oh no, though. Oh my god, man. You guys think leave the exhaust like that? Alright, so more progress. Last time what we saw was just the brackets for the intercooler. Now we have, I mean, essentially we're like, I don't want to say we're 100% done because I'm not too sure, but it looks like we have the cold side pipe is done, the hot side pipe is done. All we need right here is we're going to run a little reducer, little silicone little reducer, and it's looking freaking phenomenal. You guys, you remember how we were talking about, oh yeah, so you chopped the elbow a little bit. So I'm gonna say you didn't chop much off of here because all that writing is still there.
Yeah, I wanted to keep that. So
yeah.
Trim the elbow as much as I could.
Yeah, man, and that came out great. Dude. Dude. Wow. I feel like a lot of you guys were questioning how we're gonna do this. Like, I've gotten so many questions like, dude, how are you gonna do the, like, okay, so you see how we did this, right? Basically, chopped a real little lip off the throttle body, just essentially the length of this little, you guys can't see it, but there's a V, like a V band in here that was used for a reducer because the throttle body is 3.25, goes into 3-inch pipe. So, as you get, it might be hard to tell, but slightly reduced. So we have that, and then a real tight well, I guess just a real tight bend, leading into our little fancy vibrant clamp, which is super epic, because now all you gotta do is push this little pin out, and, you know, I won't do it, but then you unclip that, and it pops right off, and as you can see, super clean through our hole. Freaking awesome looking, man. And then obviously here, that side's done as well. Oh, and the power steering reservoir bracket. Didn't even notice that. That is sleek as all hell.
That's how you
Oh, and it's off the yeah, that's right, you told me about that. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but the mount is actually off the radiator. Killer. Bada boom, look at that. Now she's all plumbed up. And again, same thing, you know, super clean. Right down her hole. Bada bing, bada boom. How do we overlook this part of the downpipe? Check this out. So, rear of the turbo is 3-inch, pump straight out to 3.5. And I mean, come on, that is just, come on, work of art. So, it's awesome. Like, the cool thing about these builds, nothing is cookie cutter. Like, everything is unique to the build, which is awesome. You know, there's no off-the-shelf parts. Essentially, besides the turbo and the manifold, everything else, all the fabrication can be custom. So you guys know I run like the 3-inch blast pipes on my car. They make a 4-inch blast pipe that's literally 2 of these. I didn't realize how massive 4-inch was until I actually see this in person. I've never seen a 4-inch pipe like in front of my face before. How can someone have 2 of these and run them on like a stock KA? You guys are maniacs. Right now we are going to go ahead and toss a couple little tacks on the, I guess, the tail portion of the exhaust, get that kind of sitting where we want it. We kind of have her mocked up at like height, position, angle, whatever, all is good to go. So we're going to go ahead and lop some of the tip off, because I mean, as I'm sure some of you are probably like, no, don't cut it away. We're cutting it away. Yes, and then we'll go ahead and kind of see where this guy ends up tonight, but it should be looking pretty damn good. Got a little 300 over there. And oh, twin turbo, sure. Dude, check this light out. This is nuts. I'm trying to get some cool pictures out here, but I literally can't. It's like, this light is almost too gnarly. I'm really digging the way these wheels look on this car, man. Like, definitely I feel like they look better than the RPF ones. Let me know what you guys think. I need my water. Just, that's freaking good. Nothing beats 90-degree water that's been sitting in your car for 10 hours. Refreshing. I feel like I'm drinking tea right now.
Why do you feel that?
Because it's hot as hell.
Oh. Wouldn't hurt. Is that a wireless pedal? Yeah. Really? Wow. At first I was like, you gonna hook that up? And I saw you going, I was like, well shoot. Wow, that's fancy. Is that Bluetooth or something? How does that work? I don't think
that's
I
wow.
think it's Bluetooth.
Obviously it's sending some sort of signal.
I think it's RF.
Wow. Just for size comparison, look how big this is. Jeez. I fist it. Oh my god, I can fist it! Oh! Got that polish looking fresh. What do you guys think? I think it looks freaking awesome. No muffler needed. You know, we ain't about that life. I want to hear this thing roar. I can't. Let's just fire it up, right? Well, soon. Let's fire it up. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Just for little extra support.